Good morning. I was looking online trying to figure some good tips for telling you guys how to make a really good speech for school, and I stumbled across a website called WikiHow. I don't always buy everything that's in WikiHow, but this one contains some pretty good information. The WikiHow entry is called Make a Good Speech for School. The first part of it, about writing the speech, and the last part of it don't necessarily apply, but the middle part, part two, practicing and delivering the speech, makes some sense. I'm going to apply that stuff, that information, and I'm going to show you their slides, but I'm going to apply that information to our upcoming speech. The first element of that is thinking about the movement and the material so that you can prepare. It's always helpful if you know more about what the speech is going to look like. You will be delivering your speech from behind my classroom desk. I will be sitting in the back corner of the room watching you. So you will have access to my podium. You will have access to my laptop computer, my projector to be able to put the image on the screen behind you. So you are supposed to, whenever you give a speech, you want to watch the audience as much as possible. You want to keep your eyes focused on the audience. You want them to know that you're engaged. You certainly do not ever want to turn around backwards, turn your back on the audience. The other element of this particular speech is that your speech itself is the main idea. It's the main thing that we're focused on here. And the slides are just meant to accent or to accompany what you're already talking about. So your speech should be the paramount thing. You need to really focus on the wording of your speech. The slides just go along with that. So even if the power goes out that day and your slideshow is unable to be presented, your speech shouldn't change at all. What I should never hear during your speech is, oh, that's a picture of, or as you see the third person on the left, don't refer to your slides at all. You choose the right slides that will naturally be understood by your audience. And the better job you do of that, the better presentation you can deliver. So you will be standing up, you will be standing still behind my desk. You shouldn't be moving around too much. And knowing that you need to practice it in that way, you need to practice it with your Chromebook or wherever your slideshow or multimedia is so that you can practice moving through the slides. So make sure that your practice is absolutely 100% as much as possible like what we're going to be doing in the classroom.